Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Maria from Under the Night Moon, and I'm here today to do a flip through of this sweet little purple journal that I made. Oh my gosh, I love this little book so much. This little book is launching a new endeavor for me that I have coming up, and I'm so excited because my shop is actually going to have digital items. And I've always wanted to have digital items, but I'm not the best digital artist. And I am so blessed to have started a little collaboration with Debrina over at PixieDustFiles. And this is the beginning of my work using her digitals. And also, I have collaborated with her a collection of digital papers as well. And those I will make into little books, of course. And then there's also going to be some craft with me. Some craft with me videos coming up using the digital items. So it's very, very exciting. And this little book I made using her, and I wrote it down just so I'd make sure I get it right. This is her purple junk journal kit that she has in her Etsy shop, which is PixieDustFiles. Of course, I will leave links below to this kit that I used and also her shop. And there's only a few items that I use that are not in the kit, but you guys just have to see how gorgeous these papers are. And this book was so easy to make. And as soon as I printed the papers, I'm not kidding, I literally had this whole book made. And then I just had, you know, a week or two to play around and decorate and just have all the fun that, you know, making these little books, you know, playing with all the fun little parts. So, PixieDustFiles is the shop. The name of the kit is the Purple Junk Journal Kit. This kit comes with 9 pages of 11 by 8.5, 8.5 by 11 digital items. So to start with, it has this gorgeous, gorgeous book cover. It also comes with the back cover. It comes with papers. You can see all of these things in here are from the kit, including writing papers, decorative papers. It comes with ephemera, beautiful little tags. So let me just start with the flip through for you so you can see. Now I did mix some other digital items of hers in here. And then there's a few little things, like this fancy little lady is from Graphics Fairy, I think. And of course I paired her with some black lace because I just think that looks so cool together. And then I backed this with some book pages, and she sits in this little lace pocket here. And then the last minute I made a little vintage slide. And this is one of my mom's books here that I actually resized and scanned myself. But these are her papers, and you can see I did some stitching with the gold. I added a really pretty jewelry piece down here. It's one signature sewn in, and then I used this beautiful velvet, purple and black velvet trim that I have. The center of the signature I actually sewed right through my sewing machine. And you can see the stitching there with the gold, I think. If I'm shaking, I'm sorry. This is my little computer desk. So let me start with the beginning for you. So she has a whole set of butterflies. So this is one of her butterflies. This is another one. You can just see how gorgeous her colors are. And then these are all from the kit. Beautiful little embellishments. Look at this gorgeous paper. It's just so beautiful. This comes with the kit as well. I mean, look at that purple. I love it. I think the book cover for me was, oops, am I not in focus? Those 2 pages there are just so stunning together. I can't wait to make another book. I did add a little perfume label there. And of course a little Marie Antoinette. Because I think inside, if this is her trunk, she's pretty sassy. I'm sure she was a Marie Antoinette fan. And then in the kit you get, like I said, these gorgeous writing papers. And you can see the imagery that she uses is so cool. And then there's even some purple or lavender like splattering up there. Just gorgeous. I didn't have to do any of that. It's all done for you. All you have to do is print it. And then she gives you some backing papers, which is just very subtle and very cool. I stuck a little gold doily in there for fun. Here's more of the purple kit here. She did some layering for you. I added a piece of wallpaper to the book, a vintage wallpaper. So you can see it's sort of brittle. So I added these little perfume labels just to hold it in place. Let's see. And so inside here, I gave you a little January 1 because that's coming up. And then some perfume labels. And then she has a button card, digital. And I sewed these on and actually glued this to give the wallpaper some sturdiness. And then I added this beauty. And then this is just a little cut off from the writing paper. She has another file of digital florals. I think that's called The Poetry of Flowers. And then her digitals are always just gorgeous. Lots of typography and the stripes. This is another little cut apart just for fun. I just love the way that looks. And then some writing papers. Here's more of the lavender kit, or the purple junk journal kit. You can see the lavender edges that she does. And then I just stitched that into a little pocket. I made a little tag out of one of the ephemera pieces. The colors are so vibrant and so beautiful. Can you just see the colors? So beautiful. And lavender is just one of those, it's just such a pretty pop of color. To me, it just brightens everything up. So I love that. I just made that fun little pocket there, and then there's it's lined for you. And then of course you guys have heard me talk about her dresses, which I just absolutely love. So of course, if I'm making a book with her papers, I had to add a little dress. And then that's just attached to this little dollhouse banner up top there. And then the center of the book, I added this cardstock for durability. And then I added some sari silk here. It's actually a little pocket. But there's nothing in there now, but there will be. In fact, actually, I'll just steal one of these little. So in the kit comes some really fun words. And I'll just show you how that can go right in there like so. But anyway, these are little pockets here. And on this side are some of her digitals. And this comes with the kit, this gorgeous floral. So beautiful. Oh, my camera's gonna go, I gotta hurry up. Beautiful butterfly there. And then some little ladies in there. And then the paper is so luxurious. I just love this purple paper, Sabrina. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite paper of all time. And then this side, like I said, I had fun just cutting out a few of the words. And then whoever owns this journal can put them where they like. If they, you know, want to make their own little tags out of the little papers and things, they can. I just thought they looked fun in this little pocket here for you. And then just some fun lace, and then a little key, a little heart key, and a little lock. There, oops. I'm nervous that my camera's gonna go on me, so, okay, more digitals from the kit. Look at those florals, they're just so beautiful. And then I made that a little tuck spot there behind one of the writing papers. And you can see more of that paper. I'm kind of just taking everything out so you can see. Here's more of the writing paper. Now I cut these down, but this is a full sheet. So if you were making a larger journal, you'd have a full size piece of this gorgeous paper. And this is down in the corner. So pretty. And then I paired it with some green trim. And then more writing paper. This is a little tuck right here. And a little belly band here. These are more of her digitals. This is from the Poetry of Flowers. This comes with the kit here. This is part of the floral paper. It is so fantastically floral. I wanted to showcase this beautiful piece. And then I wanted to showcase these two florals. Because I just think this flower is so pretty. It's so pretty. Little butterfly there too. And it's a belly band, and then this is just a little pocket. This is the other side of the wallpaper, so I added this, stitched it to give it some sturdiness, you know. And then of course every purple kit needs some lavender. Look how pretty her lavender is though. There's like several different colors of purple in there. This is another piece of her paper. And those go in there, this goes in here. And then the other side of the wallpaper you can kind of see. It's so pretty. Another little digital that comes with the purple kit. This is one of her little hot air balloons. And then inside this is a little tuck spot there. This just kind of floats. I mean, you could tuck it in here. I think that's where I had it. And then I gave another little perfume label, some more pages. This is a little doily that she actually gifted me in some happy mail, and I love that it made it to this book because it's so sweet, so pretty. And then more digitals. Look at how gorgeous. I just love, love, love. I love the typography. I love the color. I love the way it printed. It just prints so beautifully. Her digitals print like butter. I mean, it's really so easy to work with her digitals. And then this is the last page, and it's a little pocket. Oops, there's a hot glue thread. It's a little pocket. And then inside the pocket, more things that come with the purple junk journal kit is this journal belongs to me, right? Little card for you. So I put that in there. I gave you this little frame, and it's actually gold on one side and white on the other. I like the white for this book. I actually was gonna attach this frame right here like that. But then I thought, okay, maybe the owner wants to have fun, so I left it blank. But you can have fun with that. And then here's another piece of that beautiful velvet trim. I think it just goes so well with this book. Isn't this book gorgeous? Look how pretty. I'm telling you, this book was so easy to make. I think this was one of the fastest books I've ever made. But look at the floral paper. Yeah. So beautiful card for you to record some memories in, add some pictures. Yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick flip through of this beautiful little purple book using the Pixie Dust files. This will be listed in my Etsy shop tomorrow. Sunday. Oh, did I show you the little wax seal? I don't think I did. I have a wax seal there, and then a wax seal on the Sari Silk, a little crown. I don't think I did. I didn't want my camera to die. But I wanted to make sure that I mentioned, because of the collaboration we have coming up, to stay tuned to see the digitals that we have coming. And then also the craft with me is very exciting. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Debrina, for these gorgeous papers and the collaboration. I can't wait. Follow me on Instagram at Under the Night Moon. You can hit the notifications here to stay in touch with me and my work. But other than that, oh, and if you saw these papers, let Debrina know through her shop if you want. You know, you can leave her a little message in the comments below. Leave her a little message if you saw the papers here, right? You just let her know. That would be really fun for her to know that you watched this video and were interested in her purple pages, the purple junk journal kit. But other than that, just thank you so much for watching, and have a really great night tonight, and that's it. Bye-bye.